Assalamu alaikum, myself Kashif Jahangir, 17 error 2977, and today I am going to discuss nursery raising and management for vegetable crops. Nursery. A vegetable nursery is a place or an establishment for raising or handling of young vegetable seedlings until they are ready for more permanent planting. Why do we need nursery? Some vegetables require special care during their early growth period because of with very small size seeds and mostly for early seed germination and keep the seedlings safe from harsh temperature because nursery is on small area easy to protect. These are first sown in nursery for better care and to combat with the time for field preparation, and after about 1 month of seed sowing transplanted in the main field. Now we discuss benefits of nursery management. It is possible to provide favorable growth condition, for example germination as well as growth, better care of younger plant as it is easy to look after nursery in small area, against pathogenic infection, pest and weeds. Crop grown by nursery raising is quite early and fetch higher price in the markets, so economically more profitable. There is a saving of land and labor as main fields will occupied by the crops after 1 month. More intensive crops rotation can be followed. More time is available for the preparation of main field because nursery is grown separately. As vegetable seeds are very expensive, particularly hybrids, so we can economize the seeds by sowing them in the nursery. Site selection is the first important consideration for nursery management. Area selected should be well drained and free from waterlogging. There should be proper sunlight. The nursery should be near the water supply so that irrigation can be easy. The area should be well protected from pet and wild animals. The second step is soil and soil preparation. Raising of vegetable seedlings requires fertile and healthy soil. The soil for nursery should be loam to sandy loam, loose and rich in organic matter and well drained. The soil pH should be close to the neutral, about 7.0. Soil preparation. It needs a deep cultivation of nursery land, either by soil turning plough or by spade, and subsequent 2 to 3 hoeing with cultivator. After that, all the clods, stones and weeds from the field should be removed and land should be leveled. Mix 2 kg well rotten and fine farmyard manure or leaf compost or 500 gram vermicompost per square meter and mix in the soil. If the soil is heavy, mix 2 to 3 kg sand per square meter so that seeds emergence may not be hampered. Nursery bed preparation. Nursery bed should be prepared according to the seasons and crops. In the rainy season, raised beds are prepared, but in the winter and summer season, beds should be prepared. Similarly, onion in the Rabi season require flat beds for the uniform and high percentage of germination. The soil must be fine and moist enough. If the seedlings are to be raised in boxes during unfavorable weather conditions, the flower pots, polythene bags, potting plugs, wooden trays may be used. Prepare soil mixture in the ratio of 1:1:1 of soil, sand and well-rotten farmyard manure, and fill the mixture in the seedling raising structure. Arrangement should be made to drain excess water from these structures by making a hole in the bottom of all type of pots. Planting material. Seedling can be raised in plastic trays, mud pots, plastic tubes, plastic glass, wooden crates, mini plastic tunnels, and in walking plastic tunnels.